Bitcoin hit 72K. Are we about to go into the 60Ks or can we rally up? Let's find out. Welcome back to FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Right now it's about 12:45 p.m. Eastern time and the price of Bitcoin is currently at 72,600. And before we do the top-down analysis, I want to go over this winning trade and give you guys on the 1 hour chart this flag with the measure move taking us to about 71,900. We went down to about 72,200, so we're off by $300. But basically we hit almost the exact measured move, so congratulations on whoever took this play. This is a big win for the FlexCandle community. If you guys are lost in the process of trading and you're not sure how to create patterns, you're not sure where to take profits, when to get in, check out the FlexCandle beginner course where you learn to read the candles and flex the moves. Right now for a limited time I have it at a 50% discount. Check out the link in the description and get your digital course today. Now let's start off here with the weekly chart. Right now we're getting closer and closer to that 200 moving average at 58,095. The Stochastics RSI are rolling over. This candle closes in the next 4 days and 7 hours, and we're really below the 100 moving average. If I put on the patterns, you guys know I have this bear flag taking us down to about 69K or so. Before, when I gave you guys this bear flag all the way up here at around 88K, it looked pretty funny. It didn't look like it could happen, but look how we've made most of the measured move. And honestly guys, I'm going to consider this already a winning trade. I think we are still going to go lower and possibly hit the 69K, but even if not, this is a great time to take profits here. Now, in order for us to get less bearish, I wouldn't even say bullish, we would have to close back above the 100 moving average, and that's currently at 87,427. Let's see what ends up happening in a couple of days. If we take a look at the 4-day chart, this kind of closes in a day and 7 hours. If we close below the 200 moving average again, I would have to say we're probably going to lose the 5-day 200 moving average. That's currently at 71,869. It's even possible we lose that today. We're barely above it. If this closes below the 200 moving average, then the next line of defense is going to be the 6-day moving average, and that's at 63K. Look at the stochastics, they're rolling over. Definitely looks like we could get lower in prices. 2-day chart, the stochastics still have to reset. Again, I keep on repeating this. The only thing I see going for us is that we are far away from the 21 moving average. That could give us a bounce up even if we get rejected, but that's currently at 88,225. Possibly what's going to happen is we're probably going to go sideways and create another bear flag here and wait for the 21 moving average to catch up to price, and then we're probably going to roll over. On the daily chart here, you can see the bear flag even clearer, how we're already there. We already did about, I would say like 85%, 88% of the measured move. There's not much left to go here. Again, here we're far away from the 21 moving average. On the daily it's at 86,856. What sucks now is that 90K is not even resistance now. What's resistance is probably going to be around 87K. So now we have another layer of resistance, 87K, 90K, 94, 97. For us to get to 100K is going to be crazy. Now on the 22-hour chart, stochastics, look, they want to roll over again. We're super far away from the 200 and from the 21 moving average here. On the 8-hour chart, we also look like we're rolling over. Maybe we could get a curve back up here. It's hard to say. Even if we do, this is at 79K where the resistance is, so we might not even make it to 80K. On the 4-hour chart, stochastics are rolling over here. The dreams of this being an inverted head and shoulder, not looking good. This could now be a possible inverted head and shoulder, left shoulder. Maybe this could be the head, but I'm not thinking that that's going to happen. We would honestly have to get above this 50 moving average with strength for me to even consider something like that. Right now this just looks like it's rolling over. And on the 1-hour chart, stochastics are below the dotted line. We could drag here for a while before we reset. The 21 moving average is a little bit far. That's at 75K. So I'm seeing even resistance at 75K, to be honest. I think if we go up to 75K, maybe we roll over and we could go sideways and make an inverted head and shoulder here. Left shoulder, head, and then right shoulder. But that's very hopeful thinking there. And on the 15-minute chart, even here the stochastics are rolling over as well. The 21 moving average is at 74,429. So right now guys, I'm very bearish on Bitcoin. I'm seeing us heading for lower prices, and like I've been calling for the past couple of weeks, I just see the rest of the measure move of this weekly bear flag playing out and us coming down to about 69K, 68K and some change there. All right guys, so that's the breakdown. If this gave you clarity or a setup to watch, do me a favor, like, drop a comment, subscribe, and if you have a stock or crypto you want me to go over, drop it in the comment section. This is FlexCandle, where we read the candles and flex the moves. Catch you on the next chart.